This 2022 Renegade Valencia 35 megabytes is a Super CRV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Renegade is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 7, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2022 Renegade Valencia 35 megabytes is built on a Freightliner Custom S2RV chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.